Imagine asking an AI chatbot for medical advice, and instead of helping you, it gives wrong data or leaked data. Or let's picture for a moment that you are asking financial assistant bot to get other answers, but it gives you wrong data of financial institutions. Or let's say that we are giving wrong prompts to these financial institutions, but it ends up leaking the data. These are not hypothetical questions or scenarios what I shared with you. These are the real world AI vulnerabilities that millions of people use every day. So I started this research which asks a simple question that can we teach AI to recognize someone as trying to manipulate it? I started by building a traditional rule-based detection system that essentially lists known attack patterns. Think of it like a security guard with a checklist. So in this research, it worked well with a single domain scoring 83.8% accuracy, but failed or 0% of accuracy in cross-domain results. Or let's say that if I'm prompting in a financial institution, and if I prompt it to give healthcare results, it will show 0. In real world, threats don't respect boundaries. They can happen in any domains. So in second phase, I took a fundamentally different approach where instead of writing rules by hand, I used evolutionary algorithms to automate generals of thousands of diverse attacks. So these attacks are scenario-based domain attacks. Then I fine-tuned my large language model on this data. These were around 32 to 33,000 of prompts, malicious prompts to be very precise. So essentially training AI to recognize manipulations the way a doctor learns with their experience. The results were striking. Detection accuracy jumped from 83.8% to 98.2%. The system crucially detected all the wrong prompts. So in cross-domain, where it detects from cybersecurity in healthcare department, it shows 99.1% accuracy. Means from every 400 prompts, only one prompt will be neglected. As AI becomes embedded in healthcare and finance, the critical instructions, we need security frameworks that evolve as fast as threats do. Thank you so much.